Hi guys, subscribe to my channel to never ever miss out any of the learning videos about stock market. Okay, so guys, when it comes to trading, there's a lot of market like NSE, MCX, Forex and lot of other things. And when it comes under NSE, it comes BSE also, and when we go inside that, you get lot of other instruments to trade. Okay, like equity, future, option, or if you want to do intraday, or if you want to do long term holdings and lot of things. So now in this video we'll be talking about what is it to trade like equity, intraday trading and also for long term. Okay, so we'll be talking about the advantages and what are the good things to trade in equity. So watch this video till the end to get all the information regarding equity trading for intraday trading in NSE. And before that, if you are liking the content of my channel, a subscribe to my channel would be superb. Okay, and also if you're new to stock market trading, if you're having losses and want to recover your losses and want to learn how to make money consistently in trading, you can join my course today. So guys, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is tradingzero.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. Okay, so you can go through all of this feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. And also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you'll be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators, and also I'll be teaching you how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. So guys, yes, by being said that, now let's talk about what are the advantages and how it is to trade in equity. Okay, so guys, equity means stocks. Okay, trading in stocks. As I said you, in NSE there's a lot of things like stocks, futures and all these things, but equity trading is very easy and simple. So many of the beginners start to trade with equity itself, that is stocks. Okay, so if you are a beginner, you should first start trading in equity. So you can practice in equities first and see how the movement is, how the market is, and then you can start trading in any other segments like future or option and lot of other things. Okay, so equity trading is very good for beginners. Equity means stocks. As I'm already saying you, stock trading is very good for beginners. Okay, they can start with that. And now another thing is, it's very flexible with quantity. If you want to trade in equity stocks, the quantity is very flexible. You can trade in any minimum quantity. Even with one stock you can trade, or if you want to do the maximum number of shares, you can trade even that many stocks also in equity. But when it comes to futures or option, the minimum quantity is always fixed. For example, here I'm showing you Tata Motors futures. So the minimum quantity to trade is 5700. So it's a lot size trading. So that's the difference here. Okay, so I'll make a separate video on futures and options. So now let's concentrate in this video about equity itself. So the first good thing is the flexibility of the quantity. You can trade in any number of quantity depending on your capital what you have. And also guys, if you are trading in intraday trading, if you know this, it's very good. That is, you get margin for doing intraday trading. That is, whatever capital you have, capital into margin divided by stock price. So if you do this, you get the answer. So that's the margin what you get, and that's the quantity what you can trade. For example, I'm using Zerodha here. So Let me just quickly show you. Let's say you're trading in Tata Motors. Okay, so you get margin up to 7 times. So whatever capital you have, it becomes into 7 if you're placing MIS order, and if you're placing cover order, it becomes into 11 times. So whatever capital you have, it becomes into 11 times. So capital into this leverage, the margin what you're getting, and divided by the stock price. If you do this, you get the answer. So that's the quantity what you're getting to trade. Okay, so if you're doing an intraday trading in equity, you get good margins also. Okay, and also equity stock will have a good movement always. Okay, and it will come with a good volume. So for that, you have to pick a correct stock for trading. Okay, you have to pick a stock which is almost above 150 rupees from Nifty 50, so that it will give you good movement. And also you can check the beta of the stock. Okay, any stock beta above 1 will give a good movement for you. So for that, to check in Zerodha, you can go to this more option and go to fundamentals, and here you can see beta. Here 1.90 is the beta of Tata Motors. That means it will have a good movement relatively to the market trend. Okay, so that's the thing to check about beta. And now the next point is, it is easy to execute the orders for beginners. Okay, so it's very simple to execute, because when you want to trade in a futures or option, you get lot of things like which month futures to select. So all this confusion comes. But if you're trading in equity, it's very easy. Just a stock name, and you can, if you want to buy, you just buy it, or if you want to sell, you'll just sell it. So it is very simple and easy to execute the equity trades. Okay, and if you want to do a long term in equity, that you have a very good advantage here. That is, you can hold for any time period, you can hold for any long time. Okay, but you can't do that in the future. So futures will have a expiry every month end. Okay, if you buy a Tata Motor future for now, you should exit the trade in the month end itself. Okay, it will have an expiry date, if you guys can see here. Okay, so you have to exit in the expiry date. Okay, but in equity, it's not like that. You can buy today and you can keep for any long time. How many years you want, you can keep it. So that's the advantage for doing long term in equity. And also more volumes will be there in equity, because most of the investors, okay, like long term investment, will be coming to the equity itself. So the quantity which you see in a equity will be more. Okay, but the volatility and the movement from the equity and futures will be same, but the volumes what you see will probably be more in the equity. Okay, so guys, these are the little advantages what you get when you're trading in equity. Okay, so if you're a beginner, starting with equity is a very good thing. So you can practice that, and then you can start with the futures and options. Okay, and also if you are new to a stock market trading, or if you are a beginner and want to recover your losses, you can join my course today. And in my course, I'll be teaching you how you can make consistent profit, how to pick the stocks, and 90 to 95% accurate strategies, and everything that will help you to make a good consistent profit in intraday trading. And also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made and on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.